Okay, guys, stop everything you know about day trading. This strategy right here, I'm telling you, is one of the best I ever done. I've done so many day trading strats, and this right here is going to change your life. Today, our Discord members made thousands and thousands of dollars, and everyone's happy. I've seen, the people's red accounts turn green doing this simple strategy. And I'm going to keep making videos to you guys, are pounded to know, like, it works all the time. I'm on a 28 win streak, making 10 to 20% consistent returns. Today, we're up over 40%. I had two big monster wins today. I'm going to show you exactly what I saw in the chart, exactly what happened, and how consistently, as long as you're patient, you'll make a lot of money. I've had a lot of people say, oh, there's no trades yet today. It's very boring. But right at 12 o'clock, we had a massive trade today. So, brief scenario. We don't just take the trade if it hits the bottom band. If you guys are, catching on, this green band is a buy zone. I look for options. And if you look at my option chain here, I do it on Schwab and I do it on my phone, Thinkorswim. But they're all going to be the same. What I look for, if we're at the bottom band, would be looking for calls. So I go to the option change, I would hit calls. And what I look for is 0 DTE. So I would do a 17 September and I would do the premium near 1. So this 562 would be a candidate. Obviously, since the day's over, there will be an out of the money one you could do. So yeah. And so what happens is, since we are able to predict price action super fast and like to a pinpoint, 0 TTE options can go from, 10 to 20, 10 to 30% in a matter of minutes. This move right here up to this EMA 10 made us well over 30% gains. I took the gain at this EMA 5, as that could have been a nice resistance area. So why did I like SPY at this area? Well, anything that don't touch in 15 minutes. If we don't touch the EMA 20, in 30 minutes is long. So what I look for is around that 15-minute mark to see if we are touching this bottom band, and that's what would happen. So we skipped over this candle, even though you could have made some decent money. But I started scaling in on this candle right here. And you might ask, well, it went a little under. I do 2 accumulations. That is very important. So if you have a $1,000 account, you do $500 right here on this bottom band, and then $500 on this next. And look at this massive return. We went well over our first entry and our second, and we hit this upper band here, or this EMA 10, making lots of money. I sold it right here just above the first and made 20% gains. And you might be like, wow, you made 20%. That's the power if you're able to snipe very good price action. All right, and then here's the next thing right in here. So we just hit the EMA 20. So what happens is we refresh the time distance. So what happens is you do 15 minutes. So right in here, you ignored a lot of the candles. We have 1236. So 12. Let's just say 1235 to 1250. Add another minute. So you're looking at around 1251 in this area. That would be your 15 minutes of time distance. And that's why, you can ignore some of the false signals. And you're going to start picking up a pattern. Something's magical about that 15-minute mark. Right in here was the 15-minute mark. You scale in. You could have did this one. It didn't matter. You take these 2 candles. And guess what? You had this explosive move up. Went way above all these candles here. And then hit a high of this. You got back to this high. Those 2 trades alone would have made you guys massive money. It's absolutely beautiful. There's going to be trades like this that try to tease you. You wouldn't have taken it, even though it had massive move potential. This was just and like right here, and then goes up. But this was just a basic scenario of how patience has made, members thousands and thousands of dollars. Because what happens is, when you're trading these setups, these are A+ setups. These are setups that have a very high potential of winning, over 90% of winning. And you could put bigger money in these. And, that's why how a lot of the Discord members made thousands and thousands of dollars, and just glorious. And you could take the rest of the week off if you wanted. Whereas a lot of people, you're not as confident as these setups. But when these setups present, you're going to get about 1 to 2 a day. Take advantage of them, guys. This was actually a harder day, too. You don't usually see it overlap like this. So that's why waiting for that time distance is very, very important, guys. So, yeah, and then you might ask, well, what if it don't work out? Well, 20% stop loss after your second accumulation, and you're done. But most of these work a lot. Like I said, we're on a 28 win streak, and it's just absolutely phenomenal, and I'm so happy. And I just want to keep doing recaps. I'm telling you guys, try the system. Just give it a try. I'm going to give you guys the education, the knowledge, and where to find this system, where to do it, where do I alert these, where you can have a community of traders helping you guys out and saying, hey, look at SPY. It's not yet there ready. Give it a little bit more time. Now's the time to get in. I'm buying SPY. I'm buying SPY calls. I'm buying SPY puts. And I do the most basic strategy for options. It is so easy to learn. And if you're into futures, this works for futures too. I also do futures and all that. But if you want to learn more and learn how to do this strategy, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description will say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe if you have an Android. You will have to do it on your computer or your browser on your Android. Avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. We have lots of members coming in. A lot of people like this system because it's easy. It makes sense. As long as you have patience, I promise you, you'll be a successful trader. You can read all the testimonies too. But the easiest way to subscribe is hit server shop up here in the top left, and you will see the access to the 2 memberships. Definitely do the Day and Swing Trading Plus. That's what I was talking about in this video. How we do the biggest cap stocks in the world, index stocks, and we look for, and keep in mind, I didn't even show you the stocks that we do. I'm a little more picky with stocks. There's a whole training, and I talk about it in my day trades. But for $12 a month, listen to this. You get access to all of these channels: swing trades, day trades, entries and exits, live streams. And if you're skeptical, you can join in on a live stream for free. The link's down below in the YouTube description. Hit the follow button on Twitch, hit the bell, get notified when I go live every market hours, and you'll see me do trades just like this. But the thing is, I don't go live all throughout the day. This trade was only alerted to the Discord members, as this was a trade based on 12 o'clock. I go live from like 9:30 to 11, and this was just a massive, I'm telling you, if you were here, it was so hype. Lots of, people got freaking massive money on this. And I guarantee you guys, over time, you guys are going to be so freaking rich. You're going to be so disciplined. You're going to travel the world. You're going to be literally trading for about 10 minutes a day and do whatever you want. And that is the beautiful thing about day trading. It does exist. It's possible. That's what I've been doing. I've been now focusing on a community, but literally 5 minutes out of my day here, I was in and out, and I'll show you guys the alert here that happened. Day trade alerts. You click right here. You can see, I'll say I'm watching for IWM calls. Nothing happened. Right here, I'm buying QQQ calls here at the ATR 4 touch. EMA 10 is the target, or EMA 5, 10 to 20% out. And then I say right here, buying SPY calls here, 10 to 20% gain, 0 TTE, near the 1 premium, took the gains here. So clear thing, everybody knows that I go 0 DTE, and I always buy near 1 on the premium. So when I alert these plays, and you see that the price, when I say I'm buying near at the ATR 4, that's this bottom band here, and you get all the settings, you get all the time distance, you get all the updated knowledge, education, all that, because I update this freely. So you're going to want to join, you want to stay in. I'm going to keep updating it. I put all my updates here on the day trading education. Watch all these videos. You'll see the kind of great setups I have. You have A plus setup, you have A grade setups, you have A plus plus setups. When I use the 5 minute with the 1 minute, that is the best setup you'll ever find. And then I also do lotto calls and lotto plays, and there's a very distinguished that I look for, and those have ran over 100%. One of my lotto plays ran 1,000% just last week. But I talk about that in the streams that I do. So yeah, if you guys want to join, I definitely recommend it. If you do subscribe, do it on your computer. It is slightly cheaper than on your phone. And yeah, I think you guys are gonna have a really lot of fun with this. This is if you guys like adrenaline, if you guys like day trading, this is right here is the thing. You could turn small amounts of money, even if it's $500. I've had someone go from $200 to $1,000 within a week's time frame. Because once you make money, 200 to 300, well, you can do another contract, 3 contracts, 300 to 500. Now you got 5 contracts, and you can see how you snowball with an over 90% win ratio. I mean, it works. It definitely works, and I can show you the journal here. Right here, RTK journal. I still got to put 2 of my trades in here. But, yeah, we're on a 23 win streak. I try to keep the losses small, 20% loss. and it's just been absolute win. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the Discord. It's one of the best day trading strategies I would ever recommend. I've tried, trust me, every day trading strategy out there. I've tried indicators that say buy here, sell here, and it little pops up in your little signal. And you're like, oh, this is so easy. That stuff don't work. Right here, look at price action, look at time distance, and look at the reversion of the mean. Bam, bam, easy peasy. Keep it simple, stupid. It's really, don't overcomplicate day trading. All right, guys, I'll keep you guys in the next video. I'll update these. I just want to do a recap. This was probably one of the best days. Actually, last week was even better, but this was just another solid day of just making consistent gains, and that's what I like to hear. All right, guys, I'll see you in the Discord. If you ever need me, I'll be in there. And like this video, subscribe, comment, show this to your friends that are into day trading, and let's get them accountable, let's get them profitable, and let's get them financially stable so you guys can travel to Italy, day trade for 10 minutes, and do whatever the heck you want. All right, guys, peace out.